Okay.
Sixth and final round. Barry, when KRNJIC entered the ring, you were pointing and gesturing to me, looking at the legs of AHMEDA KRNJIC, the calves. Those might have kept him up there. That's the reason why he wasn't knocked down.
I was just about to say that. It's because of those tree trunks that he calls legs. They are so big.
And that was just purely a great shot by Gomes. It wasn't no fatigue on KRNJIC, nothing, because times you get tired, your legs go. He's just in shape. That was just a great shot by Gomes.
He caught him coming in as well, didn't he?
Yes.
But when you throw that right hand over the top, especially the bowling, you take your head over to the left. The leverage it'll give you for that shot, which he does.
Nice right hook there from KRNJIC, and Gomes was wobbled by that.
This is a great fight.
Just a wild
This is a great fight.
2 rounds of boxing here.
KRNJIC's gum shield's out.
Oh, what a break for Keaton Gomes there. Let's welcome Claudia Trejos back in. Claudia, what are you hearing?
Thank you. I just went to KRNJIC's corner and I asked, is he rocked? He goes, I don't know. I don't know. I just heard it. I know his legs are weak, but I don't know if he's rocked. But he's going to come back. And sure enough, that's exactly the comeback that we saw.
You got to warn Gomes for that.
Yeah.
Barry, you think that Gomes was going down voluntarily there. Look for a little bit of a breather.
Yeah.
Oh, you said warm Gomes for that,
I did, yeah.
Oh, but if he puts his body weight on him, that's how you do it, though.
He barely touched him that time. The other times he's just he's playing the game.
Maybe that's why the ref didn't. I didn't even catch that.
Oh, good shot from Gomes.
Good right hand over the top. Not quite as flush as the one that buzzed KRNJIC, but he's got the right idea. Oh, got a right hand. How in the world does KRNJIC absorb that one?
They're spending half the fight looking up at the screen what the clock is.
Yes. No, he's on his toes.
He's exhausted. He can't hold himself
that
up.
was a nice move by KRNJIC. A little side step before he threw the left.
I think Gomes is so tired. Look how steady his legs are.
Yep.
Gomes was wobbled earlier in the round. He's exhausted, and he is still
Pure
firing
will.
home run shots on pure will, as Barack just said.
Yes, sir.
Oh, the same right hand. It's basically, guys, that's all he has energy to throw.
Yes. You know you throw a home run shot when you're very tired.
Oh, good shot.
Who's winning this round? That's what I'm saying.
Good body shot there from Gomes as well.
Gomes is digging deep right now.
Final 10 seconds. 2 heavyweight warriors trading to the final bell.
Great chins.
That last right hook there of KRNJIC was a cracking shot.
An explosive night of action. Rounds. So AHMED.
For your winner, AHMEDA KRNJIＣA.
So AHMEDA KRNJICA pulls it off. He picks up the decision victory over the gutsy Keaton Gomes. One of the best fights that we've seen here in this tournament. All the drama that you could ever want from a heavyweight slugfest.
Yeah, it really was. You know, they both got hurt. The energy for the heavyweight fight was fantastic, wasn't it? It really was. And not just from